In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a video in CapCut Desktop. If you want to make your video tighter, remove extra seconds, or simply adjust the length of a clip so it fits your edit better, CapCut Desktop makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. This gives you access to the editing workspace where all of your clips and tools will appear. Next, import the video you want to edit. You can bring your file into the project so it's ready to use inside the media library. Once the video is imported, add it to the timeline. The timeline is the main editing area at the bottom of the screen, and this is where you'll make changes to your clip's length. After the video is on the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit before you can make any changes. When the clip is selected, move your cursor to either the beginning or the end of the clip, depending on which side you want to shorten. Now pause for a moment and wait for the resize cursor to appear. This visual change tells you that CapCut is ready for trimming. Once you see that cursor, click and drag the edge of the clip inward. Dragging inward shortens the visible length of the clip on the timeline. If you drag from the beginning, you'll remove time from the start. If you drag from the end, you'll remove time from the finish. Keep dragging until you reach the duration you want, then release the mouse button. At that point, CapCut will apply the new length right away. Take a look at the updated clip on the timeline so you can review the change and make sure the length looks right. To check your work, click the play button and preview the video. Watching it back is the best way to confirm that the clip now starts and ends where you want. If everything looks good, then the video has been successfully shortened. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks and a quick drag, you can trim your video down in CapCut Desktop and keep your edits clean, polished, and more engaging to watch.